Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus LS 460 with a key. Even with modern smart keys, knowing how to use the physical key is essential for emergencies, like a dead car battery or a malfunctioning fob. First, you'll need to retrieve the mechanical key blade from inside your smart key fob. Look for a small release button on the side, press it, and then pull out the key. This ensures you have the correct tool for manual entry. Now that you have your physical key, the next step is to locate the keyhole on your Lexus LS 460. On many models, the keyhole is discreetly hidden on the driver's side door handle. Gently slide or pry off the small cover on the handle to expose the keyhole. Be careful not to force it. Once revealed, you're ready for the next step in gaining access to your vehicle. With the keyhole exposed, insert your mechanical key blade completely into the lock cylinder. Gently turn the key either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your specific model, to unlock the door. You should feel a slight resistance and hear the lock mechanism engage. Once unlocked, you can open the door and enter your Lexus LS 460, even if the battery is completely dead. After manually unlocking and opening the door, your car's alarm system might activate. Don't worry, this is normal. To disarm it, simply insert your smart key fob into the ignition slot or place it near the start button and then press the start button. If your car has a traditional key ignition, insert the mechanical key and turn it to the on position. This should silence the alarm and allow you to start your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.